If you are running your own business, you have probably heard that now is the time to promote your business with video. And you probably thought, yeah, right. In this video, I will just try to tell you why video is one of the most important elements of advertising, promoting, and marketing your business. I am not going to talk about the statistics here. They're so easy to look up online, and you can do it after watching this video. We all know that video's got a great conversion rate. We know that video is helping the search results, and so on, so on, and so on. But the truth is that having video just for sake of having the video, it's not gonna work for most of the businesses. You not only have to have the video or videos which are right for you and send that right message, but also include them in a larger marketing plan. There are different types of videos you can do or use or have done for you to help to promote your business with. And I'm going to explain them in more detail. The first type of video you could have and you could make for yourself by yourself is the one with your mobile phone. Those videos could include tips or advice to your potential customers or existing customers, and they are great to give you the online presence, and they are very low cost marketing tool which actually works. The risk of doing those kind of videos with your phone on a regular basis, weekly or even daily, is they all gonna look very similar or the same. If you are filming them in your office, always dressed in your work clothes, after a while your potential customers or your existing customers watching these videos will switch off and stop paying attention to them. Even though the videos got different content, when scrolling past on social media they look the same, people are gonna switch off. The easy solution to that is to vary your videos. Film in the different rooms, go outside sometimes, film a different time of day, and change your clothing. Don't wear your work branded shirt every single time. Oh, hang on, I don't think I got a memo. I'm wearing the same shit again. The second type of the video to promote your business with is a brochure type video. These are usually high quality and filmed to a higher standard. And these videos can be edited to music, they can contain infographics. But the most effective way to use these is actually without the sound in the headers of the website. Firstly, they're gonna definitely help your website to rank higher. And secondly, they are a great tool to get your website visitors to get an idea what you do and how you do it without reading anything. And the third and most effective way to use the video is the video in which you can let people to get to know you, to understand you and trust you and your product even before they meet you or ever buy from you. These videos should be made by the professional video production company and should show not only who you are but also why you do what you do and how. It's true that better quality production, better quality, better looking video is associated with trust, but they cannot make for lack of substance. It means that no matter how slick your video is, if the message is wrong or simply it's boring, it will never attract your customers, potential customers, to you, your brand or your service or to what you sell. The fact is that we all, as humans, respond to stories. We are all wired to understand stories, respond to stories, and the most important, remember stories. And now, storytelling in your business video is more important than ever. There's so much noise out there, so many videos, so many businesses competing with you doing videos. If you don't do it right, you just become another noise online. The storytelling is the best way to engage and interest your potential customers or your existing customers. And you might say, oh, I've got nothing to say, but every person on this planet and every business has got the story to tell. And it is the easiest way to connect with other people and businesses with. The most common mistake most businesses do when creating promo videos is to list as many facts about the products or services that they do. But if you are a kitchen company, you don't need to tell that you do install kitchens. We know that. Also, listing qualifications is not important. Nobody really cares. Because if you are an accountant, it's given that you qualify to do tax return. People can read through list of facts or instructions quite easily, but take the same information and put it into a video and you're gonna lose your audience instantly. Boring. The thing is though, people always buy from people. Your potential customer will be more interested in you and who you are and why you do what you do than just a list of boring facts. Even when your customers, all your customers are businesses and you only do business to business, it still applies. Businesses are still people, and those people will be always interested in people they can relate to. This still applies for the larger companies. Choose one person to advertise, to promote the services or products, and that person will become the face of the brand. And this is being used all the time by banks advertising on TV, or camera shops online, or music shops online, or anything in between. The flow of your presentation, the flow of your video, and the emotional connection to the viewer could make or break the video. Creating good business videos requires creativity, to some degree, a little knowledge of human psychology. And the mixture of these components, the creativity and basic psychology, can create miracles of advertising at minimal cost. So simply to wrap up this video, have a look at the facts, look at the numbers. Video does work for businesses. There is a lot of potential to make it big with video, but don't make the video, don't spend the money on video for sake of having video. The video has to be right for your brand, for your business, and it has to work for you. With the video, which is done right, you should be able to connect with that potential customer on emotional level. And this is so much easier than you think. Basics. Firstly, you can do tips and advice. Use your phone to film yourself. Vary the backgrounds, vary the look, so you don't lose attention of your potential or existing customers. And remember, as soon as you speak, you become automatically an expert and authority in your field. And secondly, less boring facts. Nobody really cares. Try to connect to your audience on emotional level. They will care more about who you are and why you do what you do than the list of boring facts. Why don't you show that service or product you sell through the eyes of a customer? What was their experience dealing with you? More people relate to that than watching boring, never-ending corporate video. Of course, all the rules are made to be broken, and there are many ways to promote your business with video successfully. But one question you should ask yourself: would I watch this myself? If the answer is yes, you are on the right track. So this is it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video helps you in some way to venture into promoting your business with video. And if you liked it, please click on the like button. Let me know in the comments if you are using video to promote your business with, or what your experience is with using video for your business. And if you're kind enough to subscribe, I really appreciate that. And this is it from me. Bye for now. Outtake time. We are rolling. I look like Death from Bill and Ted Bogus Journey. Next line. Hey, the risk of doing that kind of this take is so much better. Too many hows and too many who's. I'm seriously rolling, 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 rolling. Simples. One more take, just hands. Bonkers.